Hi everybody and welcome back. Now we're moving into a new section now, so we're moving away from lists and we're moving into dictionaries. So in this section we're going to look at Python's dictionaries. So Python's dictionaries allow you to connect pieces of related information. So in that sense they are exactly like real world dictionaries where you have words connected to their meanings. So let's take a look at a very simple example. So here we have our file. So as always we start off with some comments. Now, how do we create a dictionary? Well, we're going to call this dictionary book 1, and then a dictionary is created with curly brackets. So the first thing we do is we enter in a key. It's what's called a key, and we're going to call this key author. So think again back to a real world example. In a dictionary you have the word. So in this one we have author, which in Python is known as the key, and we're going to assign the key the value Tony Staunton. So in the real world dictionary we would look up author and we would see Tony Staunton. Think of it like that way. It helps to think of it as a real world dictionary. Now we're going to add in one more value, and keys and their values are separated by a comma, much like a list. So this key is going to be price, and we're going to assign price the value of 10. And because this is an integer, we don't need to surround it with quotes. Now print, and we're going to be printing from our dictionary, which is called book 1. And what we want to do is we want to get the author from our dictionary, and the key to that is author, and that will give us back the value Tony Staunton. Next we want to print again from our dictionary book 1. We want to print out the price value, and as we know the price is 10. Okay, and let's run it. There we go. Tony Staunton is the author and the price of this book is 10. So let's just have a quick look again. We started by naming our dictionary book 1. We then started with opening curly brackets. The first key in our dictionary is author. Author is surrounded by single quotes. We then have a colon followed by the key's value. So author is the key, and after the colon is the key's value, Tony Staunton. So author and Tony Staunton. Next, with a comma, we have price. So that's our next key, price. And the value of price is 10. So keys and their values are separated by a colon. The dictionary book 1 stores the book's author and price. Our two print statements access and display that information. In the next lecture, we're going to have a look at exactly what goes on inside a dictionary. But this is a good example. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me, and I'll see you in the next lecture.